So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm be showing you guys how to get free subscribe and like stuff and notifications, intros, and how to make amazing outros. Let's get started.
Zombie apocalypse.
Okay guys, so the first website you guys need to go to is going to be Panzoid. All these websites will be linked down in the description box below. So what you have to do is you're just going to go here. It's going to be, I'm pretty sure, the first link. You're going to come here, and then you're just going to scroll, and you can press more creations. You can look at all these creations, or you can just search. So my intro is also actually from here. I'll try to find it. I think it's like the gnome one. Search up gnome. But if I say it's gnome, then how do I change it? It's not here, but I don't want you guys copying mine, so don't copy it. So what you can actually do is actually just go to trending, latest, or top. There's a lot of cool ones. Let's find a cool intro. Let's see this intro. So let's tap on it. It's right here. Press the I button. There. This has my what's it called? Music in it. Let's listen to it. It's more like from the front. So also what you have to do to change this your name thing, you can actually go to this bar thing right here. It's really easy. Just tap on it. You can see it says your. So we're gonna change that to say cookie. And then you have to tap away from it to make it go. And then you have to just highlight it, press Control C, then go into here, which is copying it, and then you go here, backslash Control V, there. And now name, let's just try cookie again, because Control V, there. So now, if I look at it, it'll be like that, but you can also change the colors. Like, let's see, purple. That's cool. And maybe the top one be like this purple. And let's watch it. Okay, let's make it restart. But that's cool. Look. Look. That's cool. So that's just how you make an intro. You can keep on looking at them. I'm gonna leave here. There's so many to look from. There's like so many. And you can also just search up outro to make it easier to find one, or an intro, but you don't have to get an outro from here. I think these outros aren't that good. So what I do is I actually go on to here. There's two ways to do this. The first way is you can go on this and open this one up, and you can look at this, and I couldn't play that music because, yeah, copyright. So what you can do is you can put in your music by going on here, or I don't like to do that. I like to do it in the editing area. So you can do, and then, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to here. I would recommend deleting this. I'll actually link this one right in the description box below. And then what you can do is just put one rectangle. Oops, actually, never mind. Don't do that. What did I just do? Let me just open it again. Yep, that's better. I always like to press the I. Then let's X, 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 X. Rectangle. Keep them all and change them all. Say to my color, purple. And then just the reason you're doing this, you'll see. This is the better way. The other way is just doing the second step, but this way is so much better. Now let's go to the rectangle. Let's change it to purple again. It's gonna take me a little while to do. Press choose here and there. And then you go to the, now you have to press the circle. Rectangle, rectangle, new group, donut. Then you tap on it. And now, what you're going to do to download it is just press on here. I would recommend doing balanced. Then you press start video render. And then it will download it. But we don't care about the downloading. We're going to see how the next way to do it. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go into this website called Canva. You don't have to do this stuff, but I would recommend doing it. Go and create a design. And you're going to do, I would say, you might have to open it up because for some reason it didn't work. But what you're going to search up YouTube, this one, YouTube intro, just going to tap on it. Even though it's 19, just trust me, it'll be good. So then what we're going to do is you can upload stuff like I have here, my things. What you're actually going to do is you're going to go to the backgrounds. You can enter in your own background, but I like to do it this way. And then you're just going to take your background, whichever one you want. You can put text wherever you want. Alright, cookie. You can change the color. And if you didn't do the way before with the green screen effects, then you can just go into elements and add in these things. But I would add in an arrow, maybe shrink it a bit, rotate it, and put in pointed to stuff. You guys can probably do it on your own. It might take a little bit of testing to put the arrow in the right spot. You can also put the arrow in on your editing software. You guys should probably know how to do this. I'm just going to delete all of this because I need to do it. And you can also, wait, this is a video. Why am I doing it like this? Don't do it my way, okay? Press create a design and do custom size. 1920 by 1080. 1080. Yep. And then do it. And from there, you can download it. That's what you're going to do for that. And that's pretty much how you do that. For how to make it / do it. And you guys should probably know how to do all this stuff in your editing software. If you don't, and you don't have an editing software or you're going to need to have one, you should probably get DaVinci Resolve. It's free unless you get the updated version. But I don't get that because, yeah, everything loves free. So, yeah. Actually, I'll probably add in the editing software in maybe a part 2. Actually, I think you guys can do it. You guys can do it by yourself. You don't have to add in arrows, but you can just put in arrows to your editing software. So you can just do chroma key like I did in one of my videos, which is going to be right up here. That video, you can scroll through it and they'll do part when I do my face, I do my chroma key. So yeah, that ends it off for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a like so you guys know that you guys like these videos. And yeah, the Robux is still on the line. Go get the Robux. And yeah, peace out and goodbye.